Hi, it's Brad. I hope you're having a fantastic start of 2026. Just want to give you 3 quick tips here. First one is time to reach out to your clients regarding the new Cal HAFTA program. It's offering up to $150,000 in down payment assistance, up to 20% down, and it's competitively fixed financing and deferred repayments. Second, FHA down payment assistance with a 660 minimum FICO score and no income limits. And it's not just for the first-time home buyers. And this is for 3.5% and 5% down payment assistance. And last but not least, we've been blowing up our open houses. With posts on social media, we're getting between 20 to 30 clients coming through each and open house. So it's a great time. The buyers are pouring out to these open houses with the new interest rates, the lowest they've been since September 2022. So reach out to your clients, tell them about these 2 great programs, and get out there and do some social media posting and go crush it at your open houses. If you have any questions or comments, give me a call or send me an email. I'm here on standby for you. Take care. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.